Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about my experience about Shopify Dropshipping. We built a lot of websites for our Shopify clients, and in the last 3 weeks, I was trying Shopify Dropshipping. I have never done Shopify Dropshipping for any of our clients. The clients that we have is mostly big brands that we build and they sell their own product. So I have seen a lot of videos around dropshipping when people are making 1,000 or more per day or in an hour. You might have seen this type of video also on YouTube. And I thought maybe that is true, so let's give it a try. In this video, I'm going to share 3 weeks of my experience in Shopify dropshipping, and I'll tell you what are the mistakes I made and how I made my sales. I try my best to talk with honesty, so you should not get tricked by any lie that people are telling about Shopify dropshipping. It is not that easy. Since I'm a developer and I develop a lot of Shopify themes and websites, I knew everything about Shopify, so it was easy for me to start. In the first week, I focused on creating my store, registering the domain, adding some products, buying a theme, and configuring everything. So it took almost a week because it was holiday week and I was doing some other work also. This is the number one mistake that I made. When you open a store, you have to have at least like 10 to 20 products, so your store should not look empty. So I added those products and then I did some research. Of course, I didn't blindly add a product. So I added the product based on how many orders they have, and I searched about popular product and the one that are going to be trendy. So I added those products to my store. In the second week, I started promoting them on Facebook and Instagram. So here is the trick. Every people like I have seen on YouTube, they talk and they say start with $5 and then $7, $10 and change the budget like that. Then the second mistake I made was following this video where they say I set my option like this and I set my option like that, I set my this setting like that, and they never talk about why they did what they did. For example, they come and say I always select conversion, I never choose traffic, and the other say I always select traffic over conversion. The problem with that is their store is different than your store. Some of those methods might work and some of them might not work. That's why you have to know what you are doing and why you are doing that, and that is the important point. The mistake I made was just following what their algorithm is behind the ads that they are putting, and I should do the same thing, while my store is different. So it was not working. So in the first day, I didn't get any sale. So I increased the budget to $10 in the second day. Again, I didn't get any sale. I was checking the analytics and I was changing the ads, the strategy and everything. So in the third day also, I didn't get any sale. Overall, in the first week of promoting my product, I didn't get any sales. So I check out my analytics and I see people are coming to my website and they never check out. So the third mistake that I made was I went with a default Shopify theme. This is the mistake. When I added those products to my website and designed it, I purchased a theme too, but that theme was very slow. I deleted the theme and I went with the default Shopify. The default Shopify theme is nice, clean and fast. The only problem with that, it is not branding. When someone was visiting my product page, they were leaving there because it looks the same way as other stores. And that is wrong. When you're designing your product and branding is very important. When someone looks at your website, they should feel something. They should not leave the page as it is. Most people want to buy something, that's why they click on that. So I was not getting any sale. That was the biggest mistake I made, was going with the default everything. So the fourth mistake that I made was adding images directly from AliExpress to my website. Some of them have some, let's say, text over the image, which looks unprofessional. So that is also a mistake. In the third week, I paused. I said, okay, I'm not making any sale. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So what I did, I designed a minimal Shopify theme, which is just for dropshipping. I call it dropshipping store, which is a custom theme. It is super fast and lightweight, and it is special for dropshipping. I did some branding, I designed everything myself, and I put it in a way that it should look unique to my customer. And then I added one of those products that I had with one product, no other product on the website. All of them are there, they are collection pages. And I added only one of them and I customized the images and everything, and I put again $10 for the advertising. And in the 4 hours of that ads, I get 7 sales. So that was the progress. When someone was coming to my website, of course, out of 25 people that visited my store in the last 4 hours, I got 7 sales. So it is good that I am starting to getting customer. Throughout this journey, I learned a lot about Facebook Pixel and how they react. Now I understand everything about how it works. If my store is a beginner, I have to know how I am going to do it. The videos that I have watched on YouTube, they are applying those changes or those strategies on the store that they have already published and they have already customer on them. And that is completely different than the way you start a new store. When I start a new store, I have to go with my strategy that apply for a new store, not an existing store which has a lot of customer by default. By the time you watch this video, I'm going to make a few more $1,000 out of Shopify, but currently the spending that I have on Shopify dropshipping is more than my profit because I dropped down a lot of the prices, and that is how it works. So speaking of the theme that I have built, it is very lightweight and clean, and it is special for dropshipping. In the upcoming video, I am going to create a few more videos about how I started, and I might create a course. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you may not know I have a lot of courses around Shopify development. Currently I am working on Shopify app development. As soon as I finish that one, I am going to create a course, a complete course with 10 or 15 videos around Shopify dropshipping. I will register a domain and I will start from scratch. I will teach you everything about the Pixel and Facebook advertising and Instagram, so how you can grow your audience. And I will start from the store which I don't have any sale. The reason behind this is because I want to let you understand that in the first day you are not going to make sale. It is how you are going to change your strategy. I'm going to tell you why you do what you do, so you should understand how you are going to set up your setting on Facebook Pixel and how you are going to design your product page. Also, I'm going to give you my theme. So currently I'm adding more features to the theme, so the theme should be a little more customizable for the end user. If you don't know about coding, it's fine. I will give you this theme for free, and the course is also for free because I make this for free. You can install it and you can do a lot of branding around this one. So the reason the theme is customizable is because it is for dropshipping. I understand what should be unique in the theme, so the end user should understand what they are going to change. So I hope this video has been informative. In the upcoming video, I'm going to create a course and then I will give you the theme also. You can install in your store and then you can start using it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the new videos are coming soon. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.